Check all accessories for completeness, then wash all food contact parts thoroughly. 1. Attach the juice container to the main unit, aligning it flat. 2. Insert the squeezer into the juice container, pressing down fully to lock. 3. Install your filter. Choose the juicer filter or ice cream filter, align marks, and press to seat. 4. Lock the food container onto the assembly, twisting clockwise until it clicks. 5. Place the large cup under the juice spout and the small cup under the residue spout. Disassembly. 1. Twist the food container counterclockwise to unlock, then lift it off. 2. Pull out the filter from the juice container. 3. Lift the juice container off the main unit. 4. Lift the squeezer straight up and out.